What month is it? Hosted by Tammy from Happiness Created, co-hosted by CJ DIY, Brenda from Rustic and Lace, special guest host Brandy from the DIY Struggle. Links to all the hosts and the playlist will be in the description box. For the month of March, the birthstone is aquamarine, and the flower is the daffodil or the narcissus with its two-tone, beautiful yellow foliage. It's also National Cereal Day happens within this month. What's your favorite cereal? National Craft Month is March. Pie Day happens in March, 3.14. National Peanut Butter Lovers Day. I'm a peanut butter lover myself. Also, we have daylight savings time that happens in March. Spring forward. The spring equinox happens this month, and it's also Irish American Heritage Month, and of course, St. Patrick's Day on March 17th. I'm jumping into Irish heritage and making a traditional recipe, box tea, also known as Irish potato pancakes. I'll need the luck of the Irish with me. To start my boxy potato pancakes, I need a cup of mashed potatoes. So I'm going to go ahead and prep these mashed potatoes and then incorporate my other ingredients. Okay, so I have the mashed potatoes already prepared, and I need now grated potatoes, 1.5 cups. I'm just gonna make it easy on myself and use these shredded hash browns because they're made from 100% fresh potatoes. So I'm gonna toss in my grated potatoes, my 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour, combine these together, and now I'm going to add in my mashed potatoes and combine all of this. Get it really coated well with the flour. Get the shredded potatoes mixed in. Okay, so the recipe says season to taste. I like this seasoning, complete body seasoning, because it has onion, garlic, cloves, basil. So this is what I'm seasoning mine with. And a bit of pepper. I've got 1 egg and a tablespoon of milk. And I'm gonna whisk this. In the description box, I will have the link to where I found this. It's allrecipes.com. So I need to form little patties, and I have a skillet already preheated with some olive oil spray. So I'm just gonna scoop them out just with this and plop them right into my heated skillet. Per the recipe, they should cook on each side for 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown. Mixture of the shredded potatoes and the mashed potatoes, a crispy outside. This is excellent, excellent, my friends. Oh my gosh, this would be really good with sour cream or ketchup, cheese, you know, bacon bits. Whatever you normally eat with like your baked potatoes or your hash browns will be excellent with this. I totally can see this being a breakfast or, you know, a lunchtime meal. The recipes.com said that this is, some people eat this with like chicken tenders, or they have it, you know, breakfast with eggs and bacon, and I totally can see that. I really like this, and I will be making this recipe again. Really good. These potato pancakes are so tasty. I really enjoy taking a step into another culture and finding a new recipe to enjoy. I hope you'll step outside of your comfort zone and take a look at another culture. Thanks so much for watching. Please enjoy the playlist. I'll have the link in the description box. Have a wonderful day.